Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol. I'm Stanford Masters and you're watching Editor's Take. Now the markets have been falling for the past 2 days, reaching a new 2-month low of with the Nifty just below 11,500. To talk to us more about this, we have with us editor of Moneycontrol, Santosh Nair. Santosh, hi.
Hi, Stanford.
So tell us, the markets have fallen sharply over the past 2 days. What is causing this panic? Does it have anything to do with the proposals in the budget?
Well, Stan, it's a combination of quite a few factors, but yes, the immediate trigger for the sharp slide that you've seen in the last 2 days, that is mainly to do with some of the proposals in the budget. Two of them mainly. One is that the surcharge on income above 2 crores. Now, this surcharge was supposed to be on individuals, but the way many foreign funds, foreign portfolio investors have structured themselves is on the lines of trusts, which so far were being taxed on the same lines as individuals. So now there is confusion whether the surcharge will be applicable to this foreign portfolio investors as well. So that uncertainty is what is causing some bit of the panic. Besides, there's this other proposal where the government has said that in listed companies, the minimum shareholding should increase to 35%. Right now, it is 25%. So if you have to increase minimum shareholding, that means that promoters will have to reduce their stake. They will have to at least sell 10% extra in the market. Now, the big worry is that right now, the market doesn't have the sufficient depth to be able to absorb such large amount of stake divestment by promoters. Of course, the guidelines have not yet been issued on this or the timeline for that matter, but these two factors are weighing on market sentiment at this point. Coming back to the issue of foreign portfolio investors, there's been no clarification so far from the finance ministry. So finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that she would speak about this issue only in the parliament. So it's not sure whether, which way the clarification will come, whether, the tax on foreign portfolio investors will stand or they will be exempt from it. So this is the immediate worry for the market.
Okay, so if you're saying, like, if these clarifications do come through, is there any chance for the market to rebound?
You could see a short-term rebound, mainly a technical pullback, because the market has fallen quite sharply in the last couple of days. So you could see some bit of short covering. But the other major concerns for the market still remain. Notably, the earnings growth is still not picking up, or at least to the level that the market would like it to, so which in turn then makes stocks very expensive. So that's clearly there. Yesterday, you had Sanjeev Bajaj of Bajaj Finance issuing a kind of profit warning saying that sales for the April to June quarter have been hit because of the slowdown in the economy. Now, so far, it was being felt that, some of the top line NBFCs are still doing well. They're continuing to see good demand. Now, that certainly doesn't seem to be the case. Now, Titan too has said that, higher gold prices could hurt its earnings. So you're seeing some kind of profit warnings as well. There is no clear secular trend at this point. Most sectors are not doing well, and the ones which were somewhat doing well, those two seem to be coming under some kind of pressure. So overall, the news is quite subdued at this point, to put it very lightly. So that in turn is causing a bit of concern in the market. So even though there could be a slight rebound, let's say the government were to clarify on this, a sustainable pullback seems a little unlikely. You could see probably the market again moving in a narrow range for a while.
Sure. So what's the feeling amongst the domestic investors now then?
So as far as HNIs are concerned, they still continue to stay away from the market. However, you're seeing retail investors, who typically invest through the mutual funds, they continue to put money. Sure. That's seen from the fact that for the month of June also, equity mutual funds witnessed a good inflow. About 7,000 plus crore have come in through equity mutual funds. So it's mixed. So you're seeing some money coming in from retail investors. However, the HNIs, the big traders, they are still not. They continue to stay away. And foreign investor inflows have been a bit erratic. Yesterday, though, they did not sell very heavily. While one of the main worries, which was which led to the fall, was the taxation for foreign portfolio investors. They were not very heavy sellers. However, till this issue is clarified, you may not see any major inflows coming from that side. So a short answer to your question is that the mood among local investors is cautious largely. People who are investing already through the systematic investment plan route, they are continuing to put the money, but fresh money is not really coming into the market. Until that happens, you can't see the market going anywhere.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Santosh. That's a wrap on this edition of Editor's Take. For more news, views and updates, stay logged on to moneycontrol.com. Thanks for watching.